Magandang araw sa ating lahat. This is Engineer Jom Digia and welcome back to my channel. So sa video tutorial na ito, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng isang random past board exam problem under the subject differential equations, specifically elimination of arbitrary constants. So the problem is, which of the following is the differential equation of y is equal to c sub 1 cosine 3x plus c sub 2 sine 3x. So the choices are letter A, y double prime minus 9y is equal to 0. Letter B, y double prime plus 9y is equal to 0. Letter C, 9y double prime minus y is equal to 0. And letter D, 9y double prime plus y is equals to 0. So for our solution, so first we will jot down the given equation. So y is equal to c sub 1 cosine of 3x plus c sub 2 sine of 3x. So this will be our equation 1. Okay? So since binanggit sa problem is dalawa yung ating arbitrary constant, so automatically we will perform two process of differentiation. We will get first the first derivative, and for the next part is the second derivative of this equation. So for our first derivative of the given equation y, so y prime is equals to, so yung derivative ng cosine 3x, it will become negative 3 sine 3x. Okay? So itatabi mo lang dun yung c1. Okay? So yung next naman is yung derivative ng sine 3x, it will become 3 cosine 3x. Itatabi mo lang siya sa c sub 2. So it will become, so 3 c sub 2 cosine of 3x. So this will be your equation 2. And again, sabi ko kanina, magpe-perform pa tayo ng isa pang differentiation. Okay? So y double prime, yung derivative ng sine 3x is 3 cosine 3x. So mamumultiply yung sa negative 3 na nandyan sa gilid ng ating c1. So magiging negative 9 c sub 1 cosine of 3x. So next, it will become yung derivative ng ating cosine 3x is negative 3 sine 3x. So, mamumultiply siya dun sa 3 na katabi ng c sub 2 natin. So, this will become negative. So, negative 9 c sub 2 multiplied by sine 3x. So, this will become your equation 3. And the next thing to do here is meron tayong nabuong tatlong equation. Tama? So, yung kunin natin, no, yung ating equation 3. So, yung equation 3 natin, guys, is y double prime. So, lagay natin dito. From equation 3. So, from equation 3. So, y double prime is equals to negative 9. So, syempre, pares namang may negative 9 yan. So, common factor yung negative 9 doon. So, malalagay sa loob yung c1 cosine of 3x plus, kasi may negative ka sa labas. So, c sub 2 sine of 3x. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, itong c1 cosine 3x plus c sub 2 sine 3x, nandito siya, no? Sa equation 1. Meaning to say, yung value daw niyan is equal doon sa ating y. So, palitan mo lang naman siya, no? So, y double prime is equals to negative 9. So, multiplied by y. Okay? So, next na mangyari dyan, so, simplify mo further, y double prime is equals to negative 9y. So, isaayos mo yung equation. So, y double prime plus 9y is equals to 0. So, this will become your differential equation na hinihingi doon sa ating problem. Okay? So, nandun siya, guys, sa ating letter B. Okay? The answer is letter B for this problem. So nawa, guys, may natutunan kayo sa ating solved na problem for today in terms of elimination of arbitrary constant. So ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Kailangan mo lang siyang gamitan ng differentiation kung ilan yung binanggit sa problem na arbitrary constant, yun din yung ilang beses ka na magdi-derivative. And kapag nakakita ka ng point na kung saan pwede ka na mag-substitute, then that's the time na gawin mo yung process na yun. Okay? Para makuha mo yung differential equation natin na naka-equate sa 0. Okay? So this is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless us all.